If you're looking for more confidence and self-trust, then I've got the perfect Kundalini Yoga posture just for you. Confidence and self-trust in just 6 minutes. Here we go. Come sitting in easy pose. And you're going to bring your hands into Gyan Mudra, your thumb and your index finger touching right there. The rest of the fingers just straight out. Bring your arms out to the sides, palms facing upwards, and feel that stretch right here at your sternum. You're opening the heart. You're opening to the confidence. And just closing your eyes down gently. And we're going to begin chanting the mantra Sa, Ta, Na, Ma, Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Se, So, Hung. And you can find the meaning of this mantra down in the description. And you keep chanting, and whatever you do, keep your arms right there. Do not lower them. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. You've got this. Stay with it. Sa, ta, na, ma, ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hum. Connect to your strength, connect to your navel. Let the activation happen. your arms right there. Inhale deeply, suspend the breath. Keep your arms right there. Gently exhale. Inhale deeply and slowly. Hold the breath in. And exhale. And last time, I promise, deepest inhale ever. Hold the breath in. And exhaling, keep your hands in Gyan Mudra. Touch the sides of your palms in front of your face. Eyes closed, meditating on your energy.
Love at my left, love at my right. Love above me, love below me. Love in me. Love in my surroundings. Love to all. Love to the universe. Peace before me, peace behind me, peace at my left, peace at my right, peace above me, peace below me, peace in me, peace in my surroundings.
Bringing your hand gently on your heart center. Blessing yourself, honoring yourself and your needs. There you are. Energized, confident, self-trust. Woo. Yes, if you like, do this one for the next 21 days every day. Let me know how it goes. Bye.